Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do some Python exercises, and these are the two programs that we are going to do today. And the first program is writing a Python code which will extract each digit from an integer in the reverse order. For example, if the input integer is 4538, my output should be 3854, okay, which is in the reverse order, and I should have spaces in between the digits. And my second program is reversing the number, and I need to check whether this number is palindrome or not. That is, whether the input number and my reversed number is matching or not. Now I'm going to do the first program, and I'm going to make some changes to get the second program's output. Now let's do the program. Okay, so it's always a good habit to have a function. So always have a function. So here I'll use the function name as reverse, and I'm using the argument number where I'm going to pass the input digit. So here I have taken the input digit as 4583. Now I'm going to call the reverse function. I'm going to pass this number. Inside function, I'm going to have a while loop where my number should be greater than or equal to 0. That is, this while loop runs till my number is greater than 0. I'm going to have a variable where integer is equal to number modulo 10. That means I'm going to extract a number from the last. Okay, I will extract the last number here. In the next line, I'm going to remove the last number from this digit. That is, I will remove, in the first iteration, I will remove the digit 3, then 8, then 5, and then 4. Now I'm going to print the digit, where digit will have the number 3. Okay, here I need to have spaces in between the digits, so I am using end equals to space inside the quotes, and that's all. Now I'm going to run this program. Could you see that we have got the output? Yes, we got the output. Okay, now let's do the second program where I need to reverse a number, and I need to check whether it is palindrome or not. I'm going to make few changes in this program to get the second program's output. For that, I'm using, because here the number, we are removing digits from the number. So before starting the program, I need to copy this input to another variable. So I'm using the temp as variable and copying the input number in temp. Next, I need to store, we are extracting digit. Okay, we need to store the digit. For storing digit, we need one more variable. I'm going to use a reverse. Let's take rev, where I need to multiply this digit with 10. Okay, here I need to assign it as 0 first. I'm assigning, then I need to add this with the digit which we extracted. Okay, first we'll get 3 into 10, and we'll add with the 8, then we'll add with the other number, and so on. Okay, so we are adding digit with it, the number we extract. Next, we need to check whether this reverse variable and temp variable is equal or not. For that, I'm going to use if. I'm going to check whether temp is equals to reversed number. Okay, if this condition executes to be true, then I need to print that yes, this is palindrome. It's palindrome. If this condition fails, in the else part, I will print no, it's not palindrome. Not a palindrome. Okay. Now let's run this program. This is not a palindromic number. So we get the output as no, this is not palindrome. Now let me add a blank space here. Okay. Here also I need to give, so that I'll remove this line and make it a comment, so that we don't need to give it twice. Okay. Okay. Now I'll run this program. Yes, we have got the reverse number, and also this is not a palindrome. Now I'll change the number as 5225. This is a palindromic number. If I run this, yes, we have got the output. We have got the reverse number, and yes, it's palindrome. Thank you guys. I hope you liked it. Please do like and subscribe.